The first aspect is the world of regulatory compliance is growing ever stricter and more complex as we go on. Keeping pace with the range of regulations you need to comply with, let alone putting in place the measures to mitigate those risks of non-compliance, it is a full-time job. As a result, one of the main benefits of compliance content updates is reduced risk of non-compliance. So you're aware of content updates as soon as it happens, and you're able to filter that down through to your organization. The ultimate goal is not only keeping up with regulatory change, but to try and be one step ahead, not only of competitors, but in your own organization as well. The opportunity to visualize the effectiveness, the rigor created by a central library of internal frameworks and obligations, as well as the ability to put in place controls that map external regulatory obligations, gives your organization more control. Additionally, the potential to automate reviews, reminders, workflows, and streamline your processes, reducing inefficiency and duplication, are key benefits of having a strong compliance solution that comes together to assist in navigating regulatory compliance. Implementing a software and content solution, you have your benefits and your solutions. I think personally, in our organization, some of the benefits would be enhanced productivity. We are easily able to access our content, our data, and documents, and this ensures that our employees, especially our compliance department, stays up to date with the latest activities and information. We're able to draw out information at the touch of a button. This platform also helps us utilize information for daily practices, and with enhanced productivity goes hand in hand with Cura being able to customize our functions for us. It's minimized risks. It reduces the risk of any data leaks, also ensures that a user has only access to the authorized information, and all the information is stored on one solution, which is backed up. User validation is important in compliance. Large organizations, you have to grant access to people for some information, and the solution helps to make sure that the relevant persons are authorized for certain functions. We also have an integrated dashboard, which is an amazing function. It's a real-time integrated dashboard, and it makes it possible to access a range of information at one glance. Some of the challenges I think that we faced could be scope of work. In terms of scope of work, that obviously helps your developers. It comprehends, design, and define roles of administrators and individuals. But sometimes, as a client, we can't define the scope in the appropriate terms or lingo, which can cause a bit of delays. It's just about getting that message across correctly. And then workflow analysis. Often companies don't have a well-defined workflow, and they try and capture the exceptions in all their software implementation. So this procedure can cost them more and create a complex set of interfaces. I think all in all, with a lot of advantages comes challenges, but that doesn't mean that you should not think of implementing software and content solutions. You can alleviate all of these challenges by taking careful steps and choosing your development partners. An ideal development partner can be a value add to your organization and make the entire implementation process smoother. Cura goes that extra mile for us in keeping us happy and ensuring that our solutions are customized for our specific needs and ensuring that we operate effectively and efficiently.